Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. And the question says that write the following conditional state sentences in the standard form, and that is if P then Q. And you have given statement, or we can say sentence here is a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its diagonal bisect each other. So you have to convert into this sentence into standard form. Okay, so key concept is, okay, this question belongs to mathematical reasoning. So key concept is if P then Q means if P is true then Q must be true. Okay, so we can say that P implies that Q. अगर P true है तो Q भी क्या होगा? Q को भी true होना पड़ेगा. Okay, so then we have here our statement is the quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its diagonal bisect each other. Okay, so our converted sentence will be convert sentence is we have here if diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other. Okay, that is our P part. Then it is a parallelogram. That is your standard sentence. That is if P part क्या होगा? Diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other. That is your P part. And Q part is it is a parallelogram. Both are true. Okay, so if P is a true, diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other, yes, that is true. Then it is a parallelogram, yes, then it is a parallelogram, that is also true. So if P then Q, so that is the standard form of a given sentence. So I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.